Hello everyone, welcome to my video on creating match the pairs for verification of learning of students. So this video is created for teachers community. Now let us learn a second tool for creating match the pairs using JMatch. So in hot potatoes, we have seen there are 5 potatoes, and in that 5 potatoes, the one potato is JMatch. So using this JMatch potato tool, we are going to create match the pairs. So there are 2 columns, and the words in left column should match with words in right column, and student has to match the pairs. And again HTML file will be created, and the result will be immediately displayed in terms of percentage, and which pair is correct, which pair is wrong, that is also displayed when the student submit the match the pair assignment or the task. So let us start with this JMatch using hot potatoes. So my hot potato is started. Here this is the green color. This if you move the cursor here, JMatch, click on this tool. So JMatch tool will be open. It is very simple to use and less time consuming. Here give the title for your match the pair assignment. Let us say concepts of OOP. This is my title of the match the pair. I have prepared match the pair. I am preparing match the pair for this topic, concepts of OOP. Now you can see here left ordered atoms and right jumbled atoms. So you have to write here correct sequence. So again, for the purpose of saving my time, I have already prepared one table in Microsoft Word, and I will copy and paste these words. The left side word first, inheritance, its matching word is reusability. I will put on the right side. Next word I will copy from here, or you may directly type also. So I have already ready words, the match the pairs are available, so I am typing here. I am copy and pasting. You can type here whenever you are preparing a crossword for a new topic which you taught. Again, this particular tool is used for the verification of knowledge of particular topic. So when you cover a particular topic of particular unit, you can go for this particular match the pair, because now during the online teaching, we being a teacher don't know whether the learning is happening or not, and this is the best tool to check or verify the learning of students for the topic which you taught in the online lecture. And the students are enjoying also, because it is a graphics type of look. The user interface is graphics oriented, and the students are really enjoying, and they can solve it on their mobile phones also. So I have finished my left atoms and right atoms. So like this you can go for any number of atoms. Here for the demo I have considered only 5 items. Remember that here whatever the pairs, that is the left and right words, here I am writing the correct answers. Being a teacher, while setting up the matching the pair assignment, here you have to type correct answer. That will be automatically jumbled by this JMatch tool. So we don't have to care about this sequence, and this sequence will be different for different students also. That will also be not the same. So that software will take care of that automatically. The left side words will remain as it is. Only the right side words will be reordered automatically by this particular JMatch tool. So my match the pair is now ready. Now I will go for the, again as usual in the JCross we have studied, you have to do certain configuration. So go to the options menu, configure output. Again here multiple tabs are displayed. First is title and instructions. So here the exercise title is match the pair. By default keep as it is. So here match the items on the right to the items on the left. So this is the instruction which you want to give to the students, that you can type. This is the default instruction. You can change out, you can keep it as it is. Go for next tab, prompts, feedback. Here the score is, this prompt is there, then guessed correct, well done. So when the students submit the match the pair assignment, so this particular message will be displayed, and guess correct, incorrect, sorry, try again. So these messages will be displayed. These are by default messages. You can keep it as it is or you may change. Buttons. So there are buttons given by default, no need to change. Appearance. Again as usual I told you that once you set the configuration for crossword, that will be used for all the potatoes also, for quiz also, for match the pair also, means JCross, JMatch, JQuiz, for all these configuration color combinations will be used as it is. If you want to change, you can go for that. Then here time, suppose you want to set the time for match the pair, you can set the time here, and or if you don't want to set the timer, you can go for without time also. So if you want to set the time, that you can change. Suppose within 2 minutes I want to solve this match the pair. Then in other nothing is to be done. In custom also nothing is to be done, and CGI nothing is to be done. So only title, instructions, then appearance and timer. Only 3 tabs are useful here. Then say OK to save the configuration. Now it is time to create the output file, that is HTML file. Click on this particular file and here this is the option create web page. So here in create web page you will get 3 options: standard format, drag and drop format, and flashcard format. So these are the 3 formats. I will show both. What is standard format? So if you click on the standard format, again here your crossword, that you have to select your folder where you want to save and give the file name. Let us say that match the pair OP concepts standard. So this is the standard format I am creating. Save. So my HTML, your file name is contains space, it may be trouble, so don't bother about it. Say yes. Now you can view the exercise in my browser, so you can preview. Click on this view button. Now your match the pair is ready and it is run in your Google Chrome or whatever the browser. Timer is started. Now see this is the standard format. So left side is only displayed, right side here the drop down box is displayed. Students are expected to click on this arrow and select the particular answer, then go for this. So that particular answer will be disabled, which is selected here, reusability, which I already selected as answer for first match. So it will not appear, it will appear but it is disabled. Then suppose variable of class, so answer is suppose object. Polymorphism, what is the answer? Suppose different. And data protection, suppose I enter class, and here suppose I enter encapsulation. So like the student has to answer. This is the standard format. Check answer, click on this. Your score is 60%, sorry, try again. So which are my correct answers, which are my wrong answers, that is easily visible to students. So first 3 are correct and next 2 are wrong, and in this way the student may appear again for this and go for the match the pair. Now let us understand another type, that is the drag and file menu, create web page. Second is drag and drop format. So here click on this, save. Here instead of standard now file name, I will give match the pair OOP concepts, and here I will say drag drop, save. So save your file name, file, HTML file of your match the pair, and view. So this is for teacher purpose. For student purpose the files are there. So now see, this is the format which is drag and drop format. Both left side items and right side items are displayed. Left side items are arranged in the same order in which you have entered in the, but right hand side items are appearing in jumbling format, that is they are in order. What is drag and drop? From right side, here move the cursor here and hold left key, so it will be selected. Hold the left mouse key and using mouse drag this particular and drop at particular option. Suppose object is variable of class, so I will put here, leave it. So like this the pair will be matched. Now this class I will take here, drop here, select this, drag, drop here, select this, drag, drop here, select this, drag, drop here. So like this all 5 pairs are matched. Student can check the answer. Your timer is going on. We have set the timer for 2 minutes. So check answer. Your score is 100% correct. Well done. So all answers are correct, and like this the student can get the result also. So in this way the drag and drop format can be created. Now let us see that the file which is created in our folder. So this is my folder where these files are created. That is, this is my file, match the pair OOP concept std, that is standard format, and second is match the pair OOP concepts drag and drop format. So these are the two formats, and whichever you feel better, you can send this particular file to the students on their email or on WhatsApp group. Again in WhatsApp group you select attachment, select document and upload this particular HTML file. So there are two files with same name created, that is, one is your match the pair, that is the hot potato file. So don't send hot potato file, you have to send HTML file. So like this you can create match the pairs activity or small assignment for students using JMatch Potato of Hot Potatoes software. Thank you for watching my video on creating match the pairs for verification of learning of students. Thank you.